Hello dear students, welcome to today's class. So we have completed 6 sessions and we have completed 2 activities. I'm happy most of you have completed it in time and sent to me the notes. പലരും notes ഒക്കെ അയച്ചു തന്ന് കറക്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, വളരെ സന്തോഷം. And there are few more students who have to complete it. Please do it in time. And we have let us move to the next activity, that is activity 3, announcement. So dear students, let me tell you one thing and remind you one thing. ഒരു കാര്യം ഞാൻ ഓർമ്മിപ്പിച്ചുകൊള്ളട്ടെ. ഈ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ് എല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾ സ്വയം ചെയ്യണം. Please do it yourself because these activities are meant to improve your language. Okay? Your way of constructing, your way of learning new words, everything depends on the way you do the activities. Okay? So do it very sincerely. If you have any doubt, please call your teachers. Feel free to call. Ask them how to write it. And I'm sure in this lockdown time they will be very happy to help you. Okay? Don't take it as a sort of difficult thing to ask to your teachers. Don't feel shy. Don't hesitate. Do it. Okay. So let us move to this activity. This is an announcement. In the textbook you can read there is an announcement. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Nehru Stadium for watching the race in connection with the Children's Day celebrations. The race is going to start soon. Young athletes from various schools are participating and it will be flagged off by Sri Ram Narayan, the famous athletic coach. Thank you. Announcement. You make announcements. Okay? You have heard announcements. So let us discuss about this announcement. This is a good language is used here. Okay? There is a speciality for the language. You can just see that. What is the announcement about? So you know the announcement is about the race. And who is addressed here? The public is addressed here. And when is the event held? It is on Children's Day. All things come in that announcement. And where does the event take place? It is at the Nehru's Park. And what is the intention of the announcement? To make the public aware of the event and to invite them. That is the purpose of announcement. Make the people aware that something is going to happen here and it is an invitation for them. അവരെ ക്ഷണിക്കാനുള്ള ഒരു ഇൻവിറ്റേഷനാണ്. അതാണ് എൻ്റെ ഇൻറ്റൻഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഉദ്ദേശം. ഓക്കെ. വാട്ട് ആർ ദ അതർ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് ഗിവൺ? വേറെ എന്തൊക്കെ വിവരങ്ങളാണ് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്? So said young athletes from various schools will participate in the race and Sri Ram Narayan will inaugurate. No, that is something is given there. And what is special about this language? It creates a sort of interest in listeners. Okay, and it is not very big sentences, very short sentences and with meaning. Okay, so this is what an announcement is. Okay, it may be it can come for your examination. So what you have to do, the sports club, here is an activities here. The sports club of your school is organizing a meeting to congratulate Tarun. It is after, suppose Tarun win the race or he is congratulated, you are asked to make an announcement about the program. So your activity, your homework is this: prepare an announcement to congratulate Tarun. So you can just read the previous announcement and see how the words are used and put it in your own words and prepare the announcement. Okay, that is the first activity for today. And in the textbook you can read a news report about the race and about Tarun. So you know these days the athletes have got many opportunities. So they can attend interviews and get job. Okay. So when you go for an interview, you might have heard the word CV. So it is curriculum vitae, we can call it the CV. Very important to prepare CV. So here is a format of CV is given here. You can just see that. the name, address, contact number. You can give any number, qualifications, okay. You can give your degrees and your achievements in sports, okay. Your achievements, you can your personal profile, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, permanent address, languages known, nationality. So if you are Indian, you can write Indian. Gender, you can write your strengths. You can say I am good at running, I am a good sports person, I am responsible, okay, I can do my responsibilities, I have performed it already, okay, I am disciplined, I am an athlete, okay, whatever you can. And at the end you have a declaration. So just to draw it in this in a paper, okay, or in your notebook, complete as a CV. That is another work. It will be a new experience for you, because in future നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഭാവിയിൽ നിങ്ങളുടെ CV തയ്യാറാക്കേണ്ടത് വളരെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആണ്. So how to prepare a CV, that is given here, okay. Then there is activity 5. A commentary is given here, okay, a part of the commentary is given here. You can just read it, and there are certain questions to answers, okay. Do you think that the commentator knows the rules and background of the event? When you read the commentary, yes, we know the commentator knows, okay. The commentary will help the athletes to know about the status of the race. ഈ മത്സരത്തിൻ്റെ ഒരു സ്ഥിതി അറിയാൻ അവരെ സഹായിക്കുമോ? Yes, it will help. The audience is informed about what is happening. Yes, they are informed. The commentary is meant to create excitement among the audience. ആൾക്കാരെ ആവേശം കൊള്ളിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണോ ഇത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Yes, okay. The commentator's language is simple and clear. വളരെ വലിയ കോംപ്ലിക്കേറ്റഡ് സാഹിത്യം ഒന്നും ആരും പറയാറില്ല. ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി സിമ്പിൾ ലാംഗ്വേജ്. ദ കമൻട്രി കൺഫ്യൂസ് ദ ലിസണേഴ്സിനെ അത് കൺഫ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യിക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? നോ, എ ഗുഡ് കമൻട്രി വിൽ നെവർ കൺഫ്യൂസ്. ദ കമൻറ്റേറ്റർ ഫേവേഴ്സ് എനി ഓഫ് ദ പാർട്ടിസിപ്പൻസ്. ഏതെങ്കിലും പാർട്ടിസിപ്പൻറ്റിനെ ഫേവർ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല. ദ കമൻറ്ററി ഹാസ് എ സ്യൂട്ടബിൾ കൺക്ലൂഷൻ ആൻഡ് ലീവ് ടേക്കിംഗ്. കമൻട്രി നന്നായിട്ട് ഒരു കൺക്ലൂഷനൊക്കെ അതിന് കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല, അങ്ങനെയൊന്നുമില്ല. അത് വളരെ അത്ര ലെറ്റർ എഴുതിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ കൺക്ലൂഷൻ കൊടുക്കുന്ന പോലെ ഫോർമലായിട്ടൊന്നുമില്ല. കമൻട്രി ഈസ് നോട്ട് അറ്റ് ഓൾ ദാറ്റ് മച്ച് ഫോർമൽ, ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി ഇൻഫോർമൽ, ഓക്കെ. സോ a running commentary is a live description of an event or situation using appropriate vocabulary, intonation, stress and pauses which recreate the real feeling of participating in the event, okay. ഈ QR കോഡ് സ്കാൻ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങളുടെ മൊബൈൽ ഫോണിലെ സ്കാനർ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരു കമൻട്രി കേൾക്കാനായിട്ട് സാധിക്കും, ഓക്കെ. അത് നിങ്ങൾ ഒന്ന് ജസ്റ്റ് കേൾക്കാനായിട്ട് ശ്രമിക്കുക. QR കോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന സ്കാനറുകൾ ഒത്തിരി നമ്മുടെ പ്ലേ സ്റ്റോറിൽ അവൈലബിൾ ആണ്. സോ use any of the scanners and just listen to the commentary. And we have an activity here. Here is screenshots of the match, okay. So you can just watch these incidents. It is of a last hour, okay. Then you can just watch this, see these pictures and just to prepare the commentary of it, okay. The announcement, the commentary of it, the running commentary of it, okay. That is a work for today. You also complete all these 3 activities and write it in your notebook and send to me the notes, and make this lockdown time fruitful. Have a nice day.